Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wanted to become a reader, but just felt overwhelmed by where to even start? You see people devouring thick books and think, I could never do that. Well, I'm here to tell you that you absolutely can. And today, I'm going to break down how to start reading as a total beginner. Let's make this your new favorite hobby. First things first, forget what you think you should be reading. Forget the classics. Forget the dense nonfiction. Forget what won all the awards. The most important rule for a beginner is to read what you enjoy. What kind of movies or TV shows do you love? Are you into thrilling mysteries, epic fantasy adventures, heartwarming romances, or maybe real-life stories about inspiring people? Whatever it is, there's a book for that. Start by searching for books like, and fill in the blank with your favorite movie. You'll be amazed at the recommendations you find. This isn't a school assignment. The goal is to have fun. Next, let's talk about formats. A giant 500-page hardcover can be intimidating, so don't start there. Try a shorter book, a novella, or even a collection of short stories. Graphic novels are another fantastic entry point. They combine amazing art with compelling stories and are super quick to get through, which gives you a great sense of accomplishment. Also, don't sleep on audiobooks. You can listen while you're driving, cleaning, or working out. It's still reading. The point is to consume stories, and how you do it is totally up to you. Many libraries offer free audiobook apps like Libby, so you can start without spending a dime. Now, let's build the habit. Don't set a goal to read for an hour every day right from the start. That's a recipe for burnout. Instead, start small, really small. Try reading for just 10 minutes a day. Set a timer on your phone, find a comfy spot, and just read for 10 minutes. It's that simple. You can always read for longer if you're enjoying it, but the commitment is just 10 minutes. This little trick makes the habit feel manageable and easy to stick with. Before you know it, those 10 minutes will naturally stretch into 20, then 30, because you'll be so hooked on the story you won't want to stop. Another great tip is to make reading a part of your routine. Maybe it's the first thing you do when you wake up, or the last thing you do before bed. Tying a new habit to an existing one makes it much more likely to stick. Put your phone away, turn off the TV, and create a little reading ritual. Maybe you make a cup of tea, get under a cozy blanket, and just escape into another world for a little while. Making it a pleasant experience is key. Don't treat it like a chore. And what if you start a book and you just hate it? Put it down. Seriously, life is too short to read books you don't enjoy. There are millions of books out there, and you will not love all of them. It's not a failure to quit a book. It's actually a success, because you're learning what you like and what you don't. Think of it as swiping left on a dating app. You're just searching for the one. Don't force yourself to finish something just for the sake of finishing it. Grab a different book and try again. To keep the momentum going, consider joining a community. You can find book clubs online, on platforms like Goodreads, or even on Instagram and TikTok, often called Bookstagram or Book Talk. Seeing what other people are reading and talking about their experiences can be incredibly motivating. You can get recommendations, share your thoughts on a book you just finished, and realize you're part of a huge, welcoming community of readers. You don't have to participate actively at first. Just lurking and seeing the excitement can be enough to inspire you to pick up your next book. So, to recap: 1. Read what you genuinely enjoy, not what you think you should. 2. Experiment with different formats like audiobooks, graphic novels, or short stories. 3. Start small by reading for just 10 minutes a day. 4. Don't be afraid to quit a book you're not enjoying. And 5. Find your community. Reading isn't an exclusive club with a secret handshake. It's for everyone, and it starts with just one page. I promise you, a whole universe of adventure, knowledge, and emotion is waiting for you. What's the first book you're going to try? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about it. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more tips. Happy reading!